Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2017 GMC Sierra. This Sierra is featured in a white paint finish and is the Denali trim. It includes features such as an easy open tailgate, our aluminum rims, chrome assist steps, a rolling tonneau cover, heated and vented front seats, heated steering wheel, as well as lane keep assist, forward collision warning and full sensors, a sunroof, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now into the front of the vehicle, we can see above our door handle, we have all of our driver's seat memory. Below our chrome door handle, we have our power folding outside mirror controls, our door locks, our powered window controls, as well as our window locks. In the bottom of the door, we can see that we have some additional storage. Moving up to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our trailer brake controller, our drive mode select, as well as all of our lighting controls. Moving to the center above our steering wheel, we have our cluster gauge with digital information in the middle. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our cruise setting, our forward collision warning button, as well as our heated steering wheel button. Moving to the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our hands-free information. Now in the middle, we have our infotainment system. We can see we have our audio, our Bluetooth phone, as well as our nav. It also functions as our backup camera with adaptive guidelines. It is a touchscreen, but below we can see we have additional controls. We also have our CD player. On the left-hand side of our climate, we have our heated and cooled front seats. And we can see the same for the right-hand side for our passenger. Between those two buttons, we have our dual-zone front climate control. Below it, we have our power adjustable pedals, our ABS button, in-bed lighting, our sensors, lane keep assist, and our downhill park assist. Then at the bottom below, we have some flip-up charging spots. So we have two USBs, two 12 volts in the center, and a 115 volt on the right hand side. Then moving down, we can see that we have storage below it, so we can put our phones somewhere while we're charging them. We have our two cup holders. We have our center console, which on top we can see we have our wireless charging pad. Going inside the center console, we can see on the driver's side we have a 12 volt plug. We have some deep storage behind it. And on the passenger side, two more USBs and an auxiliary cable. Here we can see our seats, featured in a black leather with the Denali on the headrest. Of course, they are heated and vented for the front of the vehicle. Lastly, moving above our rearview mirror, we have our lighting controls for our driver and our passenger, our garage door memory, our sunroof controls, our third rear window control, all of our lighting controls for our vehicle, our sunglass holder, and then lastly, we have our sunroof. Now down the side of the vehicle, moving down, we can see our 22-inch aluminum wheels with our GMC center cap. Moving up, we have our chrome cap finish outside mirror, as well as our chrome finish door handles. Below, we have our chrome assist steps. Moving towards the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have our corner steps, and in the back center we have our trailer hitch with all of our connectors above. On the back of the vehicle, we can see our GMC badging throughout the middle. On the bottom of our handle, we can see our backup camera. We do have our easy open door handle. We have our tie downs on either side, in the front and the back. We also do have in-bed lighting, which we can see along the back of the vehicle. Then on top, we have our hard rolling tonneau cover. Now into the back of our Sierra, we can see that we have our chrome door handle, our window control, some additional storage in the door. Moving inside the vehicle itself, we can see that we have our magazine holders in the seats in front of us. On the headrest of the seat in front of us, we have our DVD player. We have one for both our passenger and our driver's side of the vehicle. We can see that it contains our play, stop, and eject buttons. And we can see the same on the passenger side. Moving to the middle, we can see that we have our storage next to a 12-volt plug, additional storage in the bottom. We can see our seats in the back, once again, are black leather. In the center seat, we have our 2 cup holders, and just above the center seat, we have our sliding third window in the back. We have 60/40 folding seats with the driver's side and the center seat, and we have additional storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2017 GMC Sierra. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.